In this video, you'll learn how to book a sports massage on Wecasa. This process involves navigating through the website and selecting various options to complete your booking successfully. Begin by opening your web browser and entering the URL for Wecasa. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, as a slow connection can affect your browsing experience. Once the page loads, you will see the homepage of Wecasa, which features various massage services. Next, look for the option labeled Book a Massage. This is typically found prominently on the homepage. Clicking this option will redirect you to the booking section where you can start the process of scheduling your sports massage. After that, you will be prompted to enter your address. This information is crucial as it allows the service to determine your location for the massage appointment. Once you have filled in your address, click on the button that allows you to proceed. Once this appears, you should see an option labeled See Prices. Clicking this will provide you with a list of available services along with their respective prices. It is important to review this information to ensure it fits within your budget before continuing. At this point, you will need to select whether you prefer a male or female therapist. This option allows you to customize your experience based on your comfort level. After making your selection, proceed by clicking on the Next button. Next, you will be presented with different types of massages. Click on Deep Tissue to choose this particular service. This is a popular choice for sports massage as it targets deeper layers of muscle and connective tissue. After selecting the type of massage, you will need to choose the duration of the deep tissue massage. Options typically include various time frames, so select the duration that best suits your needs before moving on. Once you've made your selection, click Next to proceed. This will lead you to the scheduling section where you can choose when you would like your appointment to occur. Now, click on When Are You Free? This will open a calendar interface where you can select your preferred date for the appointment. Make sure to choose a date that allows ample time for booking. After selecting the date, you will need to click on the time that suits you best. This is crucial as availability may vary, and selecting a time promptly increases the chances of securing your preferred slot. Once you have chosen your time, click Next to continue to the next step in the booking process. This will take you to the customer information section where you may need to enter additional details. Now, click on Next again. This step is often for confirming your details and ensuring that everything is accurate before finalizing. You will then be directed to a recap page which summarizes your booking selections. Review this information carefully to ensure everything is correct. Finally, click on Book My Session to complete the booking process. This action will finalize your appointment, and you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your booking was successful. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.